Hello everyone, welcome to GK Today, and in this video we will be discussing that United States is to rejoin United Nations Human Rights Council. Now the Joe Biden administration in the United States is all set to rejoin the United Nations Human Rights Council, and the United States had withdrawn from the council in the year 2018 under the presidency of the Donald Trump. See, Donald Trump withdrew from the world's main body of human rights because of its disproportionate focus on Israel. Israel had received the largest number of critical council resolutions so far with respect to any other country. So, the Trump administration discussed the issue with the body's membership, and the members include Cuba, China, Russia, Eritrea, and Venezuela. All these countries have been accused of human rights abuses. Now, talking about United Nations Human Rights Council, see, it is an intergovernmental body within the United Nations system, right? And this agency is involved in strengthening the promotion and protection of the human rights across the world. It looks after the situation of human rights violations and recommends on the situations. The Council was created in the year 2006 by the United Nations General Assembly Resolution 6251, and the first session of the Council took place in 2006, 3 months after its establishment. Further, the agency is involved in discussing all the thematic human rights issues, and the United Nations Human Rights Council was created after replacing the United Nations Commission on Human Rights. The Council comprises of the 47 UN members, and the member states are elected by the United Nations General Assembly by a direct and a secret ballot system. Talking about the United Nations Human Rights Council sessions, so the sessions are held at three regular time in a year, and the sessions last for a total of 10 weeks. The session take place for 4 weeks in the month of March, 3 weeks in the month of June, and 3 weeks in the month of September. The sessions are held at the United Nations Office, Geneva, in Switzerland.